Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through understanding unanswered questions in BoldDesk and how addressing them can significantly improve the accuracy of your AI responses. In the left side panel, click and open the Unanswered Questions page under the Analytics section. This page highlights customer queries that the AI couldn't answer due to missing or incomplete information in your knowledge base. By addressing these gaps, you can enhance the AI's ability to deliver precise, helpful responses, streamlining customer support and reducing manual work. The list of queries that the AI agent was unable to resolve is listed here. Each entry includes the query text and metrics showing how many times similar questions have been asked. This helps you prioritize the questions and choose which data source to use. Each unanswered question can be categorized as pending, irrelevant, or processed, depending on its relevance and whether it has been addressed. You can take direct action by creating a new knowledge base article, raising a ticket, logging an activity, or adding a custom Q&A. These updates strengthen your content sources and help your AI agent respond more effectively in future conversations. Regularly review the Unanswered Questions page to identify trends and update your knowledge base. This process ensures your AI agent delivers more accurate and helpful responses over time. And that's how you can identify content gaps and improve the AI agent's performance. Check out the full playlist to learn more about the BoldDesk AI agent. If you found this video helpful, like it, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.